I don't want you to pull the trigger. I want you to put the gun and the knives in the kitchen and come out. I want you out there safely.
On December 18th, 2023, officers were dispatched regarding the arrest of a sexual battery suspect. As soon as they approached his door, he barricaded himself inside and refused to come out. Here's how the events unfolded.
James, don't do anything stupid. Go to the door, do it now. Okay, don't grab any weapons or anything like that. We will breach your door and send the dog in. That's us at the front door. Go to it now. We have an arrest warrant for you. We will breach your door and send the dog in. Go to the front door. Go open the door and we'll tell you.
Here's what the victim told the police in her initial statement. The footage has been blurred by the police department.
So are you claiming you were held captive all this time and were not allowed to leave the house? I mean, I need you to be honest with me, because if you start telling me like you didn't have the opportunity to report it, and then you've been going here, you've been going there, that shows...
Okay, so then I'm basically wasting your time right now?
No, not at all. I need you to tell me...
I guess I could have had an opportunity, but it's terrifying when you do get the opportunity.
That's what I want to hear.
She told them that the suspect used to forcefully have sex with her and abuse her regularly for months.
Yeah. I want the truth. If you were scared,
yes,
cool.
absolutely.
I understand.
And my every move was watched.
Yes.
I could not barely call for help. My phone was basically monitored at all times. Every text message I sent was monitored. Every time I tried to call for help, my phone got smashed. Like, smashed into 100 pieces. Like, thrown like 90 miles an hour at the ground.
Okay.
I've tried to call a few times.
Neighbors never call?
No, neighbors do not help there at all. They mind their own business, and they don't care if people get the living shit out of them there. I've even escaped once. I got to run outside, and there was a younger man standing there, and I said, "Help! Please call 911." And he just disregarded everything. He ignored me.
No, he keeps telling me he's putting stuff away or something. Go to the door, James. Do it now. James, we're not going to hurt you. We just want to put you in handcuffs and take you out of here, man. You're going to come back after you get out of the county jail. He says he's at the door. Just keep knocking. We're just here to simply take you to the jail, to the county jail. That's it, man. Just open the door, man. No, well, then go to the front door. How many knives do you have to put away? Put them away and walk out the front door, or the SWAT team is going to come. We're going to kick your door in, and we're going to come and arrest you. I got everyone coming, man, so you're making this to be a big deal.
Yeah, I kind of have both.
Come see me. Look at me. Let's talk for a minute, because you're making this really, really bad.
The police plan to call James to negotiate the terms of his arrest.
Where's the house? Sorry.
It is on that side, so...
All right, so then we'll have them, come over on this side.
Okay.
What's around here? Church? What's around here?
There's a church right up there.
Why don't we have them meet at the church?
Okay.
Can you help me coordinate that with school board?
Okay.
Get on the school board. I think the school board channel doesn't exist anymore. Do you have it?
No, we don't have it.
Call school board, ask them, tell them to drop off over there. If they can make an announcement via text to all the parents. And then just throw it over the radio.
Okay, but we're past that. So we want you to come willingly. So hurry up and do what you got to do, so we can get you out. Like I said, we don't want to hurt you. We just want to take you into custody. Just go to the front door, open it slowly. What was that? No, actually, I'm not. I'm doing my job. I have an arrest warrant. I can come in your house right now. He's just saying he's waiting for his attorney to call him.
I still want to help her. The other money the other day, he told me asking me for money.
I've never met you before, James. Who is this you're talking about?
I am now extra. Yeah, the one we're getting arrested for right now for sexual fucking battery because we were trying to have kids. How the does that work.
You said you were trying to have kids together?
Yeah, we were trying to have kids.
Hey, do me a favor, stay in here. Don't come out, okay?
Shortly afterward, the officers contacted him again.
Yeah, I can.
Okay. How you doing?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. You doing better than a few minutes ago? Because you sounded kind of frantic when we first touched base. I mean, you said you had knives and hammers, and I just want to make sure you're okay, that you're safe. I don't want anything bad to happen to you.
Yeah, I still do have all of those and everything else I got. This is my house.
What do you mean everything else?
I just want to let you know right now, I am not, I don't want to do anything to anybody that doesn't deserve it. I just have an issue with the girl that I love that did something retarded. And then her family, all her family's like cops and shit. Her best friend's husband's a cop, and her uncle's best friend's a cop, and they pulled up my whole entire record. So when I saw the order of protection, it was exactly the same as my order, my whole arrest report from the girl that I put $80,000 in her account.
It sounds like you're upset.
You get so close to doing everything right, and you try so hard for someone, and then they turn their back on you.
It definitely sounds like you love her. It sounds like you were working your butt off for her.
And then I put my company on hold. I put my house on hold. I didn't even buy my truck I was going to buy.
James,
and she actually let people manipulate her that much to do this. Do I have everything here to kill myself? Oh, yeah, I got everything.
well, once again, you like I said, everything you've told me about Cindy, it sounds like everything was done out of love. It sounds like there was either miscommunication or trumped up charges. So chances are none of that would follow through. So I don't necessarily agree with your attorney. You know what I'm saying?
It's not trumped up charges. Her family ran my record. They made her. They took pictures of her in the courthouse. Saying, haha, we got you, sucker.
I don't want anything bad to happen to you, James. It sounds like you're a good person. Okay?
If this door opens, I'm a dead man.
Why does that? What do you mean if the door opens? Oh, you're talking about the front door, like you have the knives pressed against the door so that they open the door, it goes into you?
Exactly.
They continued to talk to him to see if they could persuade him to surrender to the police.
Right. I want to help you. I want to get you to a place where you can breathe better. Outside, you'll be able to breathe. If you're by the front door, put the gun and the knives in the kitchen. We'll get you outside so that you can breathe and then you can talk to your mom. They're gonna stop banging on the door as soon as you put the gun and the knives in the kitchen, and then you come out. No one's gonna hurt you. Like I said,
Right now, I'm a dead man.
I know no one's opening that door. Let me help you, James. Put the gun and the knives in the kitchen right now, please. I don't want you to pull the trigger. I want you to put the gun and the knives in the kitchen and come out. I want you out there safely.
The conversation continued for hours as the officers tried their best to calm the suspect down and persuade him to surrender.
You're right, I don't. But I have seen people pass away before, like you said, when you were an EMT at Bayshore, that it was a traumatic experience to see other people die. You don't want to put others in here today through that traumatic experience, right? No, like I said, no one's coming in the door after you. No one's going to force open that door. But if you did something to yourself, I don't want to see that. No one else here does, because that's a traumatic experience for them. It's hard because you shouldn't kill yourself. You need to come out. You need to go on living. There's a reason that you're not able to kill yourself. Because whatever you believe in, me personally, I'm a Christian, I believe in God. God wants you to go on living. God wants you to have a better life. God wants you to have everything that you thought you were going to have with Cindy that maybe you'll have with someone else. The kids, the business.
You ain't finna shoot yourself in the damn head. Why are you making this harder than what the ain't nobody in their damn house because you been not coming out the door, you making it so hard. You been knew they was out here when you told me this morning. So why you don't just come out the damn door? I can't get in the house. My daughter out here, bitch, my truck in the damn street. I can't even park. Oh, yeah, they trying to get you out the damn house. You won't come out the house. James, you said when I get here that you'll come outside. And you're not coming outside. It's like you want them to break this down. You do some dumb and to hear your ass. Bitch, you got the news out here.
You talked about that earlier.
I know we did. So you need to come out the door. Why are you making it so hard? I can't walk up them downstairs. They think you're a crazy wild. They not shooting at you. You already said what it was. You said it was tear gas. Tear gas is for you to get your ass out of their house, put your hands up, open the door, come out with your hands up, get on the damn ground, whatever you got to do, and let them come arrest you, get in the damn car, they take you down to the station, and you prove your point. Didn't you just say you talked to your attorney? Okay, what did your attorney say?
He said it didn't matter that she was on drugs. The accusations said that. Because I didn't do it.
They don't even know what the James, see, I'm trying to be...
I did. And I know other state attorney's offices.
They didn't say you did anything. The police didn't know about nothing until they got here and you with this bullshit. They trying to figure who's this James. Come outside, explain yourself down at the station, take it up in court, and leave it at that.
It's not that easy. It's a violation of probation. They're going to keep you in there for years.
James,
I'm serious.
if you got an attorney and you got these people who can back you and back what you say,
That's the reason why I want to shoot myself right now, because it's no matter, really.
so y'all wasn't able to contact him either?
No, we talked to him. We've been talking to him the whole time we were out here. The same thing he's telling you is what he was telling us. And we're hiring, by the way.
Yeah.
You're doing pretty good.
Yeah.
Please leave your message for
I get in, and as soon as they shot me. He's talking about the gas cans you sent. Then he called me. He's like, bro, I'm pissing all over myself. I'm like, what? He goes, I can't stop pissing all over myself because of the gas. I said, dude, you're in a losing battle, man. I said, if you come at these people with aggressive, you're gonna die. I said, at least whether you're accused of rape or you're not accused of rape, you can go through the process, you can serve the time, and you got another opportunity.
Later, the man came out and was safely escorted to the police unit by the SWAT team.
Well, I'm glad you made it out safely. That was the most important thing for me. I wish you would have come out while I was talking to you on the phone. Right? Right?
Yeah, did you speak to Keith today?
Yeah, I heard about Keith. I haven't spoken to Keith. I don't know. I don't even know who Keith is. I know some other people talking. Hey, if you have the truth on your side, man, you'll beat it. Okay? No, you will. All right.
State attorney's office.
Did you really have? I was obviously on the phone. Did you have knives up against your chest in the door or not? Did you have knives? No. You don't have a gun either, do you? Okay.